What's up guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to fill your Ninja Luxe Café with coffee beans. This coffee maker or espresso machine only takes whole beans. So first thing you do is take off the lid, just comes off easy as that. And then we got some Colombian Kirkland, Costco's brand of some coffee beans like that. And you literally just pour it in the hopper. Let's get another scoop. And let's go ahead and get one more scoop. Fill that bad boy up. And then the lid to the bean hopper just goes like that, and you are good to go. Ninja Luxe Café.